Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday is the favorite day of the week because it's Friday freebie. I am gifting you a selection of freebie. It's free printable for you guys to download and print and create any project, any junk journal for card making, gift tags, anything that you guys want. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Apologies about the noises in the background, but I have the window open because it's quite warm today. So I finally managed to open the window, get some a bit cool air coming in. So on Monday we made together these lovely clusters or embellishment, which I said on that video that we could use them as a gift topper or tags or to put in your cards making, etc, etc. And on Wednesday we made this. Look, it's like the original thoughts behind it was to make a card for somebody that plays instrument or musician, etc. So have used the vintage floral digital kit, so it opens like that, and on the back, and I left it blank on purpose. But what you can do, you can turn this into a journal. Simply put some holes, put your signature, and then close it like that. So that will be the cover, and you can either put some ribbon or some more music notes and create like a belly band to close it. Completely up to you. This is probably one of my favorite projects that we made together so far this year. For Friday freebie, I thought, what printable can I give the guys so you can have a little play? Normally my Friday freebie, the free printable, is linked to the projects that we made during the week. I was kind of indecisive, so I thought, why don't we get the flowers element from this project? And unfortunately I can't give you any T-Moles paper dolls because they're copyrighted, but what I thought I'd give you is the butterflies from here. So I got the butterflies, the flowers, put it together, and that's the result. I actually put some fruit as well. So today freebie is this background. Okay, so if I zoom in, it's full of all butterflies. It got all different colors. Just going to show you really quickly. So there are some fruit, it's a pear, it's a berry, there are some flowers. They're full of butterflies. There's a yellow butterflies, red. So where you look, what I wanted to create is like something that wherever you look at it, wherever the corner, whatever the space, there was something interesting to look at. That one. So whatever you guys decide to do with this freebie, so if you want to chop it into four, if you want to use us together, if you want to make tags, whatever you do with this, you get an interesting element on each side. So that's the thoughts behind it. Okay guys, as usual, how do you get this freebie? This freebie gets sent every Friday at 9 p.m. British time on my newsletter. So I send one email a week with some crafting news, a recap of the videos I shared on the YouTube in case you missed it, and there is always a freebie attached. Sometimes there is a cheeky discount code for my website or specific offers, etc, etc. So yeah, so I think it's worth joining the newsletter. If you want this freebie, because by the time you watch this video, the newsletter gone out already. If you want this freebie, you join my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a moment where to find it. You see the history of freebies that I have shared in the last 3 years. So yes, I just want to say guys, when you watch this video, me and Jamie will be on our plane to Italy, because we're going to Italy for 2 weeks. Don't worry, I got some videos scheduled for the next couple of weeks, so I'll keep you entertained. And I will ever catch up with you guys on my return, and hopefully we'll give you some news about the house situation. We are planning to see another property because we just need to leave some doors open. You never know, but yeah, I'll catch up with you guys when I'm back. So today's shout out goes to the lovely Jill Diaz, and I will put Jill's comment on the screen. She said that she bought her favourite papers and she loves the Friday email. I agree with you, Jules. Thank you. I am glad that you love the Friday email and the newsletter. A lot of you send me lovely feedback about the newsletter and how much you love it. So I'm very pleased. So thank you so much, Jules. And thank you so much to every single one of you for the continuous love and support. Honestly, guys, it means the world to me and to Jamie as well. I'm going to go and drink my tea. And I'll see you soon. Okay, guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the three dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my channel here on YouTube. Guys, if you wish to carry on watching for some more videos and ideas and inspiration, I will put a couple of links on the screen now. So the first one, when we made some more butterfly embellishment. Yes, if you like me and you're obsessed with butterflies, go and follow that video. And then the second video is when we made some origami butterflies decoration as well. So super fun and easy to make. Guys, thank you so much for watching once again. Have a wonderful weekend, and until next week, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.